Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my full YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Airbnb app, and then here it opens up the explore page, and we have some suggestions. But from here we have to go into the profile menu and then tap on our profile. Here it says jam. We tap on this, and then there is the identity verification section where we can just tap on get the badge, and we can verify our identity. So we get the badge on the Airbnb app, and then other people know that we have an authentic account, so they can trust us when we put up some things. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.